What's up guys, it's AJ here. We're back again with another video, and this one's pretty cool because this time we're gonna be fishing a private lake. It's a lake that my buddy Taylor has access to. He's the same guy I fished with back in the Butler Chain video, the last video I just did. And yeah, he has access to this private lake in Orlando, and it's pretty cool because no one's ever fished it. So it was a lot of fun getting a chance to go out here and fish it with him. Pretty much we caught him good on everything. We were just kind of screwing around and fishing a bunch of different baits, and we just pretty much caught them. Especially being in the heat of the summer like we are right now, it's pretty hot out there, and sometimes it slows up the bite, but it didn't really slow up for us. You know, we pretty much caught him the whole time. He brought some shiners along, and we fished shiners, and instantly we catch them on shiners. We were catching them on everything, and we caught a good bag, and it was a lot of fun. Yeah, with that being said, here's a private lake in Orlando that I had a chance to fish, and I hope you guys enjoy. Yep. Out in the open water. What, on swim jig?
Yeah.
I need to put my sunglasses on now.
Oh shit. That's a big fish. Sorry. That's a big fish. Bro, he hit it so hard he knocked slack out of the line.
He's not bad.
I thought he was way bigger.
We'll take him.
He choked it.
Yeah, he did.
God damn. That's a good
Chunk right there. That one's eating good.
Yeah, I didn't even get the reel eight. It hit the bottom and he smoked it. Because I got like something floating. A bunch of it.
Yeah, I'm on live scope right now.
You don't see nothing?
Ooh, I didn't even have to. I didn't even realize. I just let it sink to the bottom. Nah. He set the hook on himself. And there's another one followed it in, dude.
Was it?
Yeah.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Is that what that boil was?
Yeah. He turned away when he saw the boat. There's a group of fish sitting right in front of us, dude.
Huh?
Right in front of the trolling motor.
You see fish?
Yeah, there's like 8 of them. We're drifting, or they're swimming towards us. Oh, that's my bait, dude. Oh, that's cool, man.
Is it?
Yeah, I can see my bait coming up to him. Hold on.
Is that your bait?
They're literally right in front of us, yeah. You can see it right there.
And those are fish right there?
Yeah, these are fish. There's some fish in this hole, dude. Oh, one just hit it. On the fall, yeah. I watched him on the depth finder, dude.
Really?
Yeah, I watched it go down. Yeah. He nailed that thing when it went in the hole.
Crazy, bro. Oh, that's a good fish.
Look at that, dude. I didn't even work it. It just fell right into his mouth.
That's crazy. And you saw the whole thing on the
Yeah.
scope?
I was watching it drop down towards the fish. I didn't see him come and hit it,
Yeah.
but I felt him once it got down there.
Man, that's so cool. Straight down, right?
Yeah, just drop it down, dude.
What is it, on the ledge?
Yeah, there's a ledge like right back over there where those bubbles are. A little bit to the left, but you gotta let it go for a while. At least a fluke. I was just feeding line out. Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Uh-huh. There you go. Oh, yep.
Poke that thing. Oh. How big do you think that was?
This one's probably 5. Biggest one yet.
He smoked it.
Choked it too, yeah.
That's
I'm
my
about to
custom
rig
color
up
right
a
there.
swim jig. Yeah, it looks good. Fish think it's good.
Yeah, one of my buddies, he owns a...
Let's stick this one on the other side.
Yeah, that's a good one. He smoked that thing.
They're getting bigger. Yeah, we're just getting started and we got a 4 or 5 and one other close to 4. We haven't even made it past the first stretch of lily pads on the lake. Yeah. There you go. Oh, quick release. Swim jig?
Huh?
Swim jig?
Yeah, hit it on the poly. Hey dude, there's a big point right here. You see where that lily pad is? Ooh, the point is?
Yeah.
Same thing, about 40 or 50 feet.
Alright. You have a bite?
They're all the points that I see.
That didn't take long.
Flashy shit today.
I got weedless hooks too. I should put one of those on for trolling shiners through the weeds so they don't hang up.
Well, it's only right here that we have.
Ooh.
Are you 8 already?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. That's a good one too. Oh, he came off. Did he break my line? No, he just came off. Yeah, it was a good one, dude. It was a good one. Dang it. That didn't take long. We didn't have to move.
They're stacked here. Watch till that happens. How many we got? Oh, I am 8.
That one needs a net. Fishermen took it and put it in all their magazines and stuff.
Yeah. That's fine, right?
Yep.
I got a bath from them.
Yeah.
Yeah. You a fish?
Oh no, it wasn't on. The back GoPro was on though. I'll have to get the footage from that.
Yeah, that's a good one. That probably got a good angle actually.
Yeah.
Dude, how am I gonna go through these?
I don't know, dude.
What do you think was
Just
small?
find that 3-pounder that you caught. That's the smallest one.
That one?
Yeah, definitely that one.
Oh yeah. That one got too small.
That's crazy, dude. I just caught that thing right off the side of the boat too.
He smoked it on.
Yeah. me get some water. Oh, I just got bit. As soon as I said that. He's not that big though.
Sure?
Yeah. I was just about to say, let's maybe troll down this edge.
Which one?
This edge that the wind's blowing on.
Yeah. And give these fish.
But then I just caught one, so.
Because no bullshit, AJ, if we do this again right here, I think we need to pull back further up and fish this hole that we're in right now.
Oh, okay. I can pull this up right now.
Because that hard, there's a hard line right here, or a hard edge. Grass.
Yeah. I don't have any drag on it either. No, I got one.
See?
Yeah.
Feel good?
He's not bad. He's way out there though. We'll see. He tried to come up. I don't need the net. He's not bad though. Skiing him.
Yeah, it's funny.
He was so far out with all the fluorocarbon, I couldn't really feel him.
Do you think I'm gonna help you?
No.
Alright.
It's like,
I hope so. I haven't caught a fish on this side on the shiner in forever, dude.
yeah, there's grass down there. I'm seeing it. So, had another bite. Might be a gar screwing with you. He's got it. There you go.
He ain't pulling no drag there.
Ain't bad. Like all of them. All of them are like that size, dude. We ain't caught very many that are under that size.
He ain't gonna help us, right?
No. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got. That was fun though, dude.
Yeah.
Lots of good quality fish. It's gonna be hard to hold all these things, dude.
I can hold 3, I think. You want to do it? Yeah, that's a big one right there, son.
Here.
I'll hold it. You hold it too.
Yeah, there you go. Now what do we have here? This one's definitely 4. We got like 3 4-pounders. That one might be, well,
Probably. These probably both 5.
probably both 5. So what would that come out to? We got 4, 8, 12 plus, so 22 pounds. Right here. We'll just move back here first. Is there, oh, you got all 3. All right.
One.